Good afternoon, wonderful cruisers. This is your captain. My name is Marek, and welcome on board. First things first, so we're going to talk about safety. And right now we have well over 300 guests who are yet to complete our very important and mandatory guest safety briefing. Once you've checked the app, you go to your assembly station, and this briefing is compulsory for all guests and is conducted in compliance with the international law. We cannot allow anyone who has not completed a safety briefing to sail with us today. So the sooner everyone checks in at the assigned assembly station, the sooner we can set sail. We do appreciate your understanding and your cooperation. So please kindly make your way, if you haven't done that yet, to the assembly station as indicated on your seatbelt card. Thank you all. A very good afternoon, everybody. And once again, welcome on board to all our newly joined guests and those who stayed, our back-to-backers, as well as newly joined crew. Sorry to burst into all your areas, but we are about to sound the alarm. And we need everyone to know that this is for just familiarization only. This is your captain, Captain Marek, and thank you all for your cooperation in completing the mandatory safety briefing. While the rest of you are still checking in at the assembly station and the assembly stations, we have a few more final safety points we must cover. Immediately following this announcement, the emergency signal will be sounded in compliance with the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea. No action is required of you at this time. The signal is only for your awareness in the unlikely event of a real emergency. Thank you for your attention, and please stand by for the emergency signal. If you ever hear previously sounded alarm, proceed directly to your assembly station. Please note that all emergency exits and escape route signs are always clearly marked and illuminated. These signs will direct you to assembly stations throughout the ship. Directional signs indicating the location of your specific assembly station will guide you. Should you become disoriented or need assistance, one of our highly trained crew members will help and guide you in the right direction using the nearest available escape route. In an emergency, do not use the elevators, as they may not work if there is a pipe failure. Guests who may require assistance using the stairs should notify their stateroom attendant in order to allow us to assist you if necessary. Once you have reached your assembly station, our well-trained crew members will check you in and provide you with further instructions. Should it be necessary to evacuate the ship, your assembly station crew will assist you to the survival craft in an orderly fashion. There is nothing more important than your health and safety. Our high-quality medical care includes doctors and nurses on board each sailing and state-of-the-art equipment. Our medical staff is available during the hours listed in the Royal Caribbean app. If any of our guests starts to feel ill or unwell, they should report the need for medical attention over the phone by dialing 51 or by an in-person visit at the medical facility located on deck number 2. If you are experiencing medical emergency, dial 911. Our wonderful crew will remain at the assembly stations for another 15-20 minutes for the remaining guests who have not yet completed the safety briefing at the stations. For the rest of us, this concludes our final safety summary. I'd like to thank you for your attention and cooperation, ladies and gentlemen. it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your cruise vacation. Once again, welcome on board, and I'll be back with departure information in a few minutes' time. We should be sailed as scheduled, departing at 3 p.m.